welcome back to my channel and welcome to our Christmas house tour 2021. So not much has changed at all actually, but let's start with my outfit actually, because my mom has suggested that I should wear this, which is great because I bought these boots 2 years ago, I think, when I was turning 22, and I've worn them out only twice. I anyway don't get out of my house, and now that it's COVID times, I don't go out at all. So good, thank you mommy, you told me to wear this. It's perfect. And this dress my sister got for me from Germany, and I have been working out regularly these days. I've been doing 3 rounds of Lucy, and I know it doesn't show up on me, but I have come to the conclusion that chubby girls are supposed to be chubby. No matter how much we work out, it doesn't show up, so I'm okay with it. Let's start from this corner where I just have this Merry Christmas sign and jingle bells, which I love. It's in Spanish, Feliz Navidad, I guess. This spotlight is perfect for this. It just looks so beautiful. I think last year we had put it here, but this year I decided to put it over here, and it's looking perfect. Then towards this side we have my Christmas stocking, which again last year was in my room. This time I put it over here. It's big enough to fit a wine bottle. So you know I'm a kid, and I'm 23 years old, but I still put the stocking on, and I love whatever my Santa gets me. Small little things. And last year she got me wine glasses, which I'll show you. So see, I'm not lying, last year I got wine glasses, so this year I'm going to get real red wine bottle. So the stocking is big enough to fit that. So mom, make a note. It's my dream to have a glass of wine on Christmas Eve, which is my birthday, and just enjoy by the Christmas tree. So I don't drink, but I've told this to my mom and still she doesn't agree. Like, I'm such an honest kid. I've told her I want to have it at home just a little bit, but she's still not getting me. So yeah, let my mom know that she's mean and she should get me some wine. I love the color, you know I love burgundy and wine, deep plum, grapevine colors, so I'm super attracted to it. So yeah, let's see if Santa gets me some red wine this year. It's just my favorite time, because even as a kid I used to enjoy my birthday on the 24th, and then all my cousins together we used to hang stockings in a line. Then the next morning we used to get lots of, you know, stationery or chocolates, and it was just a fun time. So yeah, double celebration. Cool. And then here we have our Christmas tree, which literally looks and is the same like last year. So this time I got new fairy lights because my last year's fairy lights are in my room. So I got the wrong 5-meter one in the first attempt, and that was not enough. So yeah, the 5-meter one was not enough, so I returned it and got the 10-meter one, and now it's looking perfect. And this is my fake Christmas tree again. Everything that I'm showing you, I've bought it from Raj Beautiful, which is a store in Pune. It's the best store, funny name, but very, very amazing store. So it's a fake Christmas tree, but it is pretty big. I like it. And all the little decorations, I love the snowflake, Christmas balls, gifts, Santa hanging in there, some drums. I guess this is walnut. I'm always confused what this is. Then we have some candy, bells, stars, and the Merry Christmas sign over here, which I have stuck it. And then down here I have a Santa Claus, which is actually a chocolate that my sister got for me 2 years ago. So I won't show you from up close, but he is cracking, so I can start seeing the chocolate, and it's messy, but I'll never open it because it's so perfect for Christmas. So yeah, he is still staying strong, I hope. Then we have one more Santa, which I got again from Raj Beautiful, and this one dances. So I love this Santa because he has this jhola, and I remember in my school, Christmas was very big in my school, so one of my professors used to come dressed as a Santa with this jhola and lots of chocolates, and he just used to distribute it all over the classroom. And you know, it's the best. Like, Christmas is the best because my school had really amazing Christmas. It is very, very close to my heart. So yeah, I'll play this for you now. Oh my god, we should prank Tanu with this, like last year. Let's see if he has forgotten it or not. So Tanu is having dinner, so let's bully him and prank him while he's having dinner. action. Oh my god. Tanu is the most boring cat of all times. He was not scared at all. And then we have some miscellaneous stuff, some bells that when I was not able to hang on the Christmas tree, and this empty packet. Yeah, this is my favorite corner of all time. So every day I like to put my yoga mat over here, cushion, and just chill and have green tea and read my favorite book or write in my diary and just, you know, chill, even meditate. I love it. I feel so peaceful over here that this year I just decorated my home on December 1st itself. So yeah, I'm very big on traditions. So perfect, such a beautiful corner. And here I have a, what is this, Swiss bell, which my sister got from Switzerland. It is not Christmassy, but it is so colorful and cute that it looks perfect over here. Come on, let's go inside now. So here on my dad's door I have added a little reindeer. Just because I was not sure where should I put it, so I put it over here. This also jingles. It's a pen, but obviously I'll never use it. Then here is my room and my Christmas wreath, which is looking so beautiful, and my dad insisted to put something in the middle. He has put this little bell in the middle and it's so pretty. I love it. Whenever I'm passing by this passage or opening my door, just looking at this and all the decorations just warms my heart. So this is our real reindeer. So he's on deer duty every single day and he loves chilling by the Christmas tree on the sofa, and he's just stuck on the sofa all the time. And this S letter I have made, what, 2-3 years ago by myself with all the glitter and stuff. So I love that too. Love my Christmas wreath. Now let's go inside. Okay, so ignore the mess going on over here because I was just getting ready. But like last year, I have put some stockings over here so that whenever I'm getting ready, I feel cute looking at it. And these are my affirmations. You can screenshot them. So I really believe in having a positive dialogue with ourselves. So I love affirmations. I have got these from a YouTube video, but not all of them. So some of them are really generic, anyone can use it, and others you can customize. So what you want in your life, accordingly make those. So yeah, you can take mine as a reference. But I love this also, this space. Every day when I'm getting ready, just feels so cute looking at it. This is my mini Christmas tree on my nightstand. So this my mom got for me, I think 3 years ago, the first tree. It's also fake, but it's cute and small, so I've put it over here. And this I've got from Home Decor, and this just won't stay up here. The tape has lost all its stickiness, so I have given up on this. Then we have some Santa hats over here, and this candle, as you can see, I have totally used it up, so you can't even see. I will add in some pictures of what it looks like all lit up. It looks so beautiful. My favorite jar candles, has some leaves in it as well, so I'm going to ask my mom to give me a new one. So I burn it every single night and then my room smells amazing. So then again, this one also has the little Merry Christmas sign, star, some other decoration as well, and Ganpati Bappa obviously, because Ganpati Bappa and Jesus Christ are friends, so why not? So I also want to let you know that my mom and my Maushi have made some handmade candles, scented candles, and this time they have a Christmas special collection. So they have an exhibition going on, and I can't show you the candles in person, but I will show you the pics. The snowman candle is the cutest. I love it. Then they've also made some handmade Santas and the jar candles, which are my favorite. And then some more Christmassy decorative candles. One with the snowflake on it is again my favorite. So definitely check it out. Follow them on Insta. I'll add their handle over here. And yeah, that completes this video. Literally same like last year, because I don't know, I didn't buy anything this year, but I hope next year I'll get something new and have some changes, and I'll have more to show you. That completes this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a nice comment. Subscribe for more. And I want to wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I love this time, my favorite time of the year. And this year is going to be even special because I'm turning 24 on the 24th. So it's a special birthday. I've been waiting for it all my life. But yeah, I hope you have a great holiday time as well, my favorite time of the year, and I'll see you next year. Bye. Merry Christmas.